welcome back to Torque Update. Today, we're going to take a relaxed and detailed look at the new 2026 Mazda CX-30. We'll cruise through the design, check out the interior features, pop the hood to see what's powering it, and of course, talk about when you can get your hands on one and for how much. Let's dive in. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to impress with its blend of style, performance, and practicality. Mazda didn't reinvent the wheel here, but they've sharpened up everything that made the CX-30 so popular. It feels like they took their time polishing the details, offering a crossover that's sporty yet comfortable, perfect for city drives and weekend getaways alike. Mazda has a real talent for making their cars look elegant without trying too hard, and the 2026 CX-30 is no exception. The exterior sports a slightly more aggressive front grille, with a new mesh pattern that gives it a sportier vibe. The LED headlights and taillights have been redesigned for a sleeker, more modern look. Subtle tweaks to the bumper and body lines make the CX-30 look a little lower and wider, even though it keeps its compact footprint. It rides on stylish new 18-inch alloy wheels. And if you love color options, Mazda's added a stunning new shade called ceramic metallic that really pops under the sun. Step inside the 2026 Mazda CX-30, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more luxurious than you'd expect at this price point. Mazda kept a clean, minimalist dashboard layout, but added richer materials like soft touch panels, premium leather seating options, and a revamped center console. One of the biggest updates is a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, now standard across most trims. It's sharp, fast, and finally touch-responsive when parked. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come wireless, and there's a slick new digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel. Comfort is also a top priority. You get dual-zone automatic climate control, an optional 12-speaker Bose sound system, heated front seats, and even a panoramic sunroof on higher trims. Safety? Fully loaded. Every 2026 CX-30 comes standard with Mazda's iActive Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. When it comes to engines, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 keeps offering two great options. The base models come with a tried-and-true 2.5-liter Skyactiv G inline, delivering about 191 horsepower. Plenty for zippy city driving and confident highway cruising. For those who want a little more punch, the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine is sticking around, cranking out 250 horsepower on premium fuel, or about 227 horsepower on regular gas. It's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system is standard across the board for 2026. Overall, the CX-30 still delivers that trademark Mazda driving feel, responsive, composed, and just plain fun. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is expected to hit dealerships around fall 2025, so you won't have to wait too long to check it out in person. As for pricing, Mazda is keeping it competitive. The base model is expected to start around $26,500, while the fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus could reach up to $37,000. Not bad considering the level of luxury and performance you're getting. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 looks like it's going to be a sweet spot for a lot of drivers. Sporty, stylish, packed with tech, and still affordable. Whether you're upgrading from an older Mazda or shopping for your first compact crossover, this one deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed this laid-back look at the 2026 Mazda CX-30, don't forget to hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications, and smash that subscribe button for more car reviews and updates, only here on Torque Update. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next video.